festival where you can eat all the dog you want, and it's located in Yuli, Guangxi, China. And the festival spans about 10 days with 15,000 dogs consumed, and it goes from the 21st to the 30th of June. I just wanna let you know, I'm just trying to be a bro. So you first take a flight to Guangzhou, China. And once you get off at that airport, you wanna ask around for the Guangzhou provincial bus. And it costs $20, and it's a 4.5 hour ride. Then you get off at Maoming West. Just remember, Maoming West. Now you might have to stay there a full night, depending on the time you arrive, because the next bus that goes to Yulin only runs like once a day, and you have to buy another ticket. It's about another $22, but from there it goes straight to Yulin. Soon enough you'll be eating some dog. Now there are about 8 available hotels in Yulin. I'm checking online now. I suggest the Yulin Lijiang International Hotel, offering a sauna and fitness center. Wow, it's not too bad at all. Never mind, it's $50 a night, but with free complimentary breakfast and a free cancellation fee. So it's not as bad as I thought. When you're ready, the concierge will know exactly which festival you're talking about, and he or she will give you directions, so take a cab. But don't get ripped off. If you're white, they'll charge you double. I shit you not. I shit you not. But anyways, enjoy your flight. Goodbye. Enjoy the dog festival.